Okay, so we have the card written. It's done. Take it out. I'm going to install it into a Raspberry Pi on a video board, so I can actually do some stuff here instead of hooking up a HDMI cable to an external TV in other locations. This is just my cheating way to keep it close. All Raspberry Pis have a HDMI cable output that you can hook up to a television, and that way you can actually see it on the screen. And here is a Raspberry Pi that we're going to use. I got a dongle in it so that I can use a keyboard. Let me hook up my power here, and we're going to turn this on, and we're going to turn this over so we can see what's going on and you can see what's happening. Okay, at the login of this, for your first time login, you see it says California GMRS network and needs to log in. I sent you the information so that you know what the password is for these, and as you type it in, it's not going to show up. It's going to show up your root login, but not your password. So once you get all the system, I will give you the information at that time. This is asking, do you want to continue for the first time setup? So we're going to say yes. Node number. I'll have to issue you a node number in order to put your node number in here. I'm going to take this one and use it as a 140 just for demonstration use. And it says you have a different node number. So yes, I want to change the node number. Now it's going to ask if the node number and password assignment for the All-Star, do you want it to report to it, and is this a private node? Yes, it's a private node. And so the call station next would be for like your call sign. As everybody knows, I am WREX 300, so that's what we're going to put in here. Hit enter. Great, now it's moving on. Next step is wants to know, do you want to report this to the All-Star link? Okay, as we explained before, all this program came from ham. It is an All-Star program that we modified for GMRS, and it's an open source, so anybody can modify as they go along. But yeah, we're going to say no, we do not want to report to the All-Star link, otherwise it sets up another system. Do you want to hear your voice on your identification for your time and so forth? That I usually say yes. We're going to leave the bind port alone because it's most common for 90% of them. And this is where you get into, are you going to build a repeater or a simplex unit? The videos I've created is for simplex, so we're going to leave it at number 1. Do you want to confirm the password for it? You can change your password at this point in time. I usually leave it alone. Do you want to set up your USB? No, we're not going to set up the USB right now because I don't have one plugged into this at this moment. From building the radios and the USB cards, the sound cards is the USB that is referring to, so we're not going to deal with this right now. We're just doing all the programming. So no. Do you want to restart it? Yes. That's the way we can get back into it after all of our changes we just did. It's going to come up here. It's going to say we're at the California GMRS network, and you see the word none. That means it does not have an IP address at this time. Never on any of our programs for GMRS, never perform a system update. A system update will take you right back to factory everything and change everything that we have done before I modify this program for you also. Okay, so what I need you to do is to go into your Wi-Fi configuration, because we need to set up your internet. Make sure you got your internet hotspot. Unless you have a wire that's plugged into it, which is fine, you won't have to do this next step. But if you do not, you want to use Wi-Fi, you need to go here to number 7 to your Wi-Fi. We're going to set up a new wireless network. This is the setup for your password in the wireless network. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Do you want to clear any and all of the files that's already in there? I usually